Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about FTP and TFTP, file transfer protocol and trivial file transfer protocol. So we have discussed about so many time in FTP and TFTP about. So basically FTP is file transfer protocol which is used to transfer or copies the file from one host to another host, but there may be some problems like different file names, different file directory while sending and receiving files in different hosts or systems. Okay, so in FTP secure channel is not provided to transfer. So as we are discussing about FTP, there is no secure channel provided to transfer the file between the systems, and FTP has ports 20 and 21 for data transfer and one is for connection control as you are seeing in the video. While TFTP is trivial file transfer protocol, it is used to transfer a file either from client to server or from server to client without the need of FTP features. And the software of TFTP is smaller than FTP. Okay, so this is the benefit, and TFTP work on 69 number and also it is used by UDP. And extra what we have to discuss about it, FTP support authentication but TFTP don't support authentication. Okay, FTP works on TCP transmission control protocol and TFTP is user datagram. Like it is connection oriented, it is not connection oriented. It is used robust control commands, and yes, this is used for simple control commands. Also in FTP it use TCP connection, like three-way handshake process is used by FTP, but there is no three-way handshake process used by TFTP. So this is the important difference between this. And after that, mostly used by remote user to upload and downloading files, and TFTP is used to transfer configuration to and from network device. Like for example, if you want to transfer your file from one network to another network, you can use FTP. Okay, and in FTP it requires more memories and programming efforts. Okay, and if you are like configuring your router image or you are configuring your router, then you can use simply TFTP because it require less memory and programming efforts. So this is used for TFTP is basically used in our router configuration and update flash, update iOS and another things, while FTP is used to upload the file that are from different locations. So this is all about FTP and TFTP. Thank you.